What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Toy Friendly Unboxed. And for today's episode, ito ang gagawin natin. Unbox natin ang Maximatic Eugene or Yusuke Urameshi. This is an original and authentic item from Bandai Namco and Banpresto. So sa mga fans ng Ghost Fighter or Yu Yu Hakusho, definitely a must-have episode for you guys. So sit back, relax, and buksan natin to in a short while. And before anything else, please do like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also nasa Shopee tayo, so please do visit our Shopee page, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And sa Facebook din, gusto nyo mag PM sa atin sa lahat ng mga items or toys na gusto nyo makakuha or mabili. Punta lang kayo sa facebook.com/toyfriendly. And without any further ado, here we go!
Barely making a sound, then you came along, bright as the dawn, turned my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free.
And ito nga yung unbox natin. So Maximatic, and it is Eugene from Ghost Fighter or Yu Yu Hakusho. And kita nyo naman, battle worn version ni Eugene. And itong mga line na to ng Maximatic, napakaganda nito guys. Awesome stuff. And yun yung mga medyo mas oversized sila kaysa dun sa mga usual na Banpresto price items na na-unbox natin, no? So ito, iba to, specialized to, and makikita natin mas mukhang intense yung mga figures ng Maximatic. Mas malaki, mas intense, and mas detailed. So check out muna natin yung box, di ba? Ito yung front niya. So yan, lagi yung logo ng Maximatic. And then makita natin yung mismong figure na sa loob. And very nice yung layout dito sa box. Lagi nung maganda yung layout ng yung mga Banpresto items natin. Kasi ito, may close-up siya sa kabilang side. Close-up ni Eugene. Siyempre yung mga credits. Ayan, ibang view, ibang angle. Ang ganda, di ba? Yun. So, gagawin natin. Saan natin siya? So kung collector kayo ng Ghost Fighter, I'm sure meron kayo nung dalawang set or nakatatlong na yata yung batch yung Banpresto na Ghost Fighter sets. Medyo may kaliitan yan, di ba? Parang nasa 6 inches. Pero eto, mas malaki ng konti to kasi nga ibang line to. Yan. So, siya. Okay, so dito, check this out. Ito pa lang, the legs pa lang, kasi laki na niya yung figure ng diba? Kasi laki na niya yung figure ng yung mga naunang batch ng Banpresto. Pero yun kasi talaga namang smaller size yun. Wala akong sample dito ngayon. Since siya, sold out lagi. Basta Ghost Fighter, sold out lagi. So dito naman, ito yung upper portion, yan. So ang gagawin natin, assemble natin muna ito. Then, pagbalik natin, yan na. Yan yung final form. And doon natin i-judge kung ano i-itsura talaga nito. Ito na, buo na. Buo na si Eugene. And wow, look at this. Pass pala nito. So mga mga close to 10 inches to. And kita nyo naman yung detail, diba? Pati yung mga yung mga bruises. Nakikita nyo ba? Yung mga marks. Yan. So yun ang pagkakaiba niya sa doon sa Banpresto series ng Ghost Fighter o Yu Yu Hakusho. Kita nyo, ang ganda ng detail nito, pati sa hair. highly detailed, great sculpt. Ayun, ang height niya around 10 inches and of course PVC material. Wow! Ganda pala nito. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na sulit eh. And I think close yung price range niya dun sa Banpresto original series ng Yu Yu Hakusho. And dito yung makikita kung paano maging authentic to eh. Ito yung mga copyright siya. Yun eh. And also may serial siya lagi dito sa footstand. Yan. Ayos ah. Ganda ng detail, pati paint job niya. Standard paint job, pero super awesome. Definitely a must-have for your collection, especially sa mga collectors fans ng Ghost Fighter or Yu Yu Hakusho. So, ang galing. Actually, kung Eugene fan ka lang, ayos to. Ang galing. Ang ganda. Kulang lang talaga articulation eh. Pero syempre, hindi naman siya ganitong klaseng figure talaga eh. Ito yung pang-display talaga eh. Para astig yung sa glass cover. Ang galing eh. And wala siyang wobbly feature eh. As in talagang solid. Yan. Solid figure. Ganda. 10 out of 10. Diba? Ganda. Pati yung highlights niya sa striking talaga. Galing. So, yan guys. That was our quick unboxing and review of the Yu Yu Hakusho Yusuke Urameshi figure from Bandai Namco and Banpresto. This is the Maximatic line Eugene. And marami pa tayong stocks dito. Kung gusto nyo kumuha, please PM us or DM us. And we'll hook you up with a piece. And that's it. Here we go. Cue for montage.
Bright as the dawn, turn my world around. Now I'm reborn. Every look, every touch, it's a spark. You lit the fire deep in my heart. I'm breaking free, no longer restrained. In your light, I found my name. You got me so unwrapped and unboxed.
So guys, that was our quick unboxing and review of Yu Yu Hakusho's Yusuke Urameshi or Eugene sa Ghost Fighter, and this is an awesome figure. Again, perfect addition to your Ghost Fighter collection or Yu Yu Hakusho collection. Ang ganda niya, super sized and very intense figure. So Maximatic line to, and kung gusto nyo magkaroon, meron pa kaming stocks nito. So PM us, and yun, doon tayo, mag-deal na lang tayo. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements of future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. And also, if you would like to have toys like these, please do visit our online store sa Shopee, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. Marami kayong makakuha discounts doon. Yun, highly recommended. So, kung gusto yung mga discounts, yung vouchers, and whatnot, tayo sa Shopee store natin, shopee.ph/toyfriendly. And kung gusto nyo mag-direct deal sa akin, tayo sa Facebook page and message nyo ako, facebook.com/toyfriend. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.